So just a little brief overview of everything I'm going to bring on the swim when we go this weekend. I've got nutrition, so I've got my carbs, so I'm going to drink before the swim, keep me stoked. And then for after, I'm going to have some whey protein to help me replenish. The swimwear will be one of these three delightful swimming costumes, all from Speedo, because I've been wearing Speedo my whole life. Anti-sickness tablets, we've got some sunblock, we've got some anti-fog, and we've got Vaseline for the rubbing points, and of course my fabulous swim tiger hat, this charity that we're swimming for. My new waterproof bag, which inside has my very keep me warm changing robe. We've got my clothes that I'm going to put on when I get out, obviously a bit more than this, but I've got a hoodie and some sweats. I've got my Crocs so that I can look cool, because everybody who swims in Dover has Crocs. And finally, here we go, I've got my passport, because I'm swimming as an American, because I learned how to swim as an American. So that's it. That's the kit, more or less. A few bits and pieces, but that's really the essentials.